Hi there, welcome to Next.js 13 course. In this course, I will cover everything you need to know to master Next.js 13. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, this course has something for everyone. We will start by introducing you to the basics of Next.js 13. Then I'll explore its key concepts such as server-side rendering, static-side rendering, and client-side rendering. You will gain a solid understanding of how Next.js simplifies the development process while delivering fast and performant web applications. Then I'll walk you through setting up your development environment using VS Code. I will guide you step by step, ensuring that you are ready to write your first Next.js application in no time. Once you have the fundamentals covered, we will move on to the more advanced topics. We will explore Next.js powerful routing capabilities like routing dynamic routes, route groups, catch-all routes, data fetching, caching, revalidating, and server actions. You will learn how to build SEO-friendly websites using CSS models, optimize performance in the context of image, script, font, and lazy loading. But that's not all. We'll also dive deep into Next.js API routes, enabling you to build your own robust APIs directly within your Next.js applications. You will discover how to interact with MongoDB and handle authentication using Next.js library and Oauth providers like Google and GitHub. To make the learning experience even more engaging, we will have interactive live Q&A sessions where you can connect with fellow learners and instructors. We believe in fostering a supportive learning environment where everyone can grow together. By the end of this course, you will not only have a deep understanding of Next.js 13, but you will also have a portfolio of impressive projects to showcase your newfound skills. You will be equipped to create high performance web applications that can handle complex requirements with ease. We can't wait to see you inside the course. Remember, the world of Next.js 13 development awaits, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Happy coding.